Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a video in loop on YouTube PC. We start by opening the video on YouTube that interests us. After that, we right-click on some area of the video. A drop-down menu will then appear. Here we will click on the loop option to activate it. After that, when our video ends, it will start again in a loop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we want to deactivate this option, we are going to right-click on the video again and click on the loop option again to deactivate it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.